Grüezi, buenos dias and hello. I'm happy to be back to present you the big numbers for the month of November, and I would like to thank Martin for stepping in for me the last month. I'm also pleased to announce that in November, SIX was recognized as Outstanding Exchange Group for the achievements of SIX Swiss Exchange and BME Exchange at the Leaders in Trading Awards 2025 in London. It's the fourth time in the last 5 years that the exchanges of SIX have been distinguished at some of the industry's most relevant award ceremonies. In addition, one of my colleagues was named the winner in the category Excellence in Exchanges and Trading Platforms Equities at the 2025 European Women in Finance Awards. Congratulations to Alexandra Roby, our head equity sales UK and Ireland. I'm really happy for you, Alex. You deserve this. With all the awards safely stored in our trophy cabinet, let's look at the highlights for SIX Swiss Exchange and BME Exchange. In terms of trading turnover, we have seen that equities in Switzerland already surpassed the entire last year in mid-November. After 11 months, equity turnover reached 809 billion Swiss francs, 10% more than 1 year ago. Overall, turnover passed the 1 trillion mark with over 49 million transactions. In both categories, ETFs are clearly in the lead compared to last year, with turnover over 54% and transactions up 37% year to date. In terms of product listings, it's my pleasure to announce another world premiere on SIX Swiss Exchange. We welcomed Leverage Shares Limited as a new ETP issuers, and their triple leveraged long and short ETPs on Bitcoin and Ethereum are the world's first crypto ETPs of their kind to be listed on a primary exchange. We also already reached a new all-time high listing record in regards to numbers of bonds, with 532 as well as listed volume of 119 billion Swiss francs. A strong month was recorded by the SMI. Our Swiss blue chip index rose 4.9% in November and reached 12,834 points. This means it almost doubled its year-to-date performance, now up 10.6%. Let's look at the figures of the Spanish Stock Exchange. With 49 million euros traded in November, turnover on BME was 36% higher than in November 2024. Compared to October, equities saw 6% more turnover last month, reaching over 37 million. Year to date, it is the fixed income segment that shows the highest growth at 27%. In terms of transactions, however, fixed income is the only segment with a year-to-date drop, with equities, ETFs and derivatives all up. Overall, BME recorded 7% more trades at the end of November than last year at this point in time. Let's also have a look at the performance of the Spanish blue chip index IBEX35, concluded the month at 16,372 points, progressing another 2.1% and climbing to a 41.2% rise since the beginning of the year. In terms of new clients, BME welcomed 2 new companies, both Mazda Rental and Grey Mile, joined BME Scale Up as the 11th and 12th company to join BME's growth markets in 2025. Finally, I would like to take this opportunity to mention the launch of 2 segments on SIX Swiss Exchange today. Both are part of our initiatives to make trading more attractive for retail investors. The new trading segment Structured Products with extended trading hours enables trading from 8 in the morning until quarter to 10 in the evening, nearly 6 hours longer than today. Self-guided retail investors and other market participants too can now act more flexibly on market developments, especially on the US markets. The sponsored foreign share segment is back, now with Finovesta as market maker. Investors can access over 250 of the world's leading companies directly on SIX Swiss Exchange, with 0 trading fees on flagged retail orders. Trades can be executed in Swiss francs and for around 150 US stocks additionally, also in US dollars, all within Swiss trading hours. It's a simple way for Swiss-based investors to broaden their portfolios internationally while avoiding currency conversions and extra trading costs. Those were all the relevant updates for today. In our next edition in January, we will look back at December and the full year of 2025. Until then, we wish you a good year and happy holidays. And thank you very much for watching Big Numbers in 2025, and see you next year.